So sir, let us start our next chapter, that is next unit, unit 3 of Sale of Goods Act, transfer of ownership and delivery of goods. Sir, transfer of ownership and delivery of goods. Sir, tell me sir, now why is this important sir? People listen carefully. Yes sir. Sir, we first saw what are the type of goods. I hope all of you remember. Sir, one was specific. Sir, the other one was future. Sir, the other one was contingent. Sir, under specific, there was existing goods. Under that, it was specific. Sir, and unascertained goods. Sir, then ascertained goods. Sir, and the next one was future goods. The next one was contingent goods. Sir, specific, existing goods, everything is then and there, you are giving and taking, contract is done. Unascertained, is it in the bulk? At the time of contract, you do not know which one you are getting. Ascertained, after the contract, you are selecting which one you want from the bulk, is called ascertained. Sir, future goods is something which is not present, or you do not have it, or you are not the owner yet. You are going to get it in the future. Sir, contingent depends upon some event, uncertain event. Yes, sir. Sir, we also discussed about types of delivery also. Symbolic, actual, constructive, everything we saw. Sir, now why did we see all this? People, we saw all this because, sir, contract is being made. Contract is made. Yes, contract is made. Sir, but when will the property pass? I repeat, when will the property pass? Sir, now what do you mean by property? Sir, property means, we have discussed this. Sir, in this chapter, property means ownership. Sir, the property here means ownership. Sir, now third unit, why do we want to know? You tell us that. People, I'll first give you an example. Yes, sir. Sir, I go to Chroma. And I select a television, a very big television. But I went in a general property. I went in a bike and I went alone. So I could not actually bring back the TV. So what did I do? I requested Chroma people, I want this TV, 120 inches TV. I want this. Chroma said, are you willing to pay? So everything is done. I went to the billing counter. Whatever is the consideration, they charged say 1.2 lakhs for it. I paid it there only. And I asked them one thing. See, I came in a bike. Can you guys do one thing? Can you please give me delivery? Can you guys deliver this to my home? Is it possible? Please. I asked them. Chroma people said, okay sir, today we are working. As it is almost 8:30. We do not have anyone. I'll do one thing sir. I will arrange for a delivery tomorrow. I asked how much. He said it's okay sir, because you're as it is paying 1.2 lakh. So it's okay. I will take care of it. So I said thank you and I went home. Yes people. So I have paid everything. The delivery will happen tomorrow. Sir, in the night. Sir, in the night, the entire Chroma store caught fire. The entire Chroma store itself caught fire. Sir, in that my dream TV is also there, 120 inches. Sir, who will bear the loss of 1.2 lakh? Who will bear the loss of this 1.2 lakh? Is it on Chroma or is it on me? Sir, who will bear this loss? Yes, people, who will bear the loss? What? Chroma, buyer, company, that is Chroma, buyer, Chroma, seller. Risk follows, okay. So people, sir, who will win the case, sir? I will not explain. Let us look at the chapter. Sir, who will win, sir? We'll see what does the chapter say and let us decide who will win. Yes, we'll see. Yes, we'll see. So, sir, importance of time of transfer. Now, whatever I said you to know that. Sir, who will bear the risk? It is very important to know who will bear the risk. Sir, for that, what should we know? People, we need to know when is the ownership getting transferred. Sir, the money will be paid in installments. When will the ownership be transferred? Sir, the money will be paid in advance, but the delivery will be postponed. Sir, when will the ownership be transferred? Sir, there are so many cases. When will we know that? When will the property here, ownership, when will it transfer? Sir, we need to know whether the seller should bear the risk or should the buyer bear the risk. We need to know this, sir. To know that is why you need to know Unit 3 of SOGA, Sale of Goods Act. Clear? All of you? Pakka? Yes? Okay. Sir, there is a general clause. What, sir? There is a general saying which they say risk prima facie passes with ownership. Sir, this is a general saying. Risk prima facie passes with ownership. Sir, what do you mean by prima facie? On the face of it. On the face of it. Or you can even say primarily. Or generally. Or, on the face of it. Anyone who sees can say this. That is the meaning. So, risk primarily passes on with ownership. People, risk primarily passes with ownership. Sir, in this chapter, we will just be analyzing when will this ownership pass. In this chapter, we will just be analyzing when is that ownership being transferred from the seller to buyer. Is this clear? If we know when has the ownership transferred, then we can know risk is transferred or not. Sir, now what is this risk you're talking about? Risk of loss, risk of theft, risk of any other unforeseen event. Whoever is the owner, he should bear the risk. So this chapter just focuses on telling us who is the owner. Sir, what, sir? Sir, who is the owner? Is it knowing so difficult, sir? What, sir? Is it so difficult, sir, knowing the owner? I'll tell you. We'll see whether, now only in this example, we'll see whether you guys told right or wrong. Yeah? So, sir, passing of property, section 18 to section 26. Section 18 to section 26. Yes? Sir. Sir, whenever there is passing of property, that is whenever I'm talking about passing of goods, that is whenever I'm talking about passing of ownership. Yes? So whatever is written here, we will come back after looking at the circumstances. We will be able to understand this better. Okay, sir. Sir, when we want to know that when is the ownership getting transferred, we first need to know how many types of goods are there. Sir, whenever the ownership is getting transferred, we need to know how many types of goods are there. Sir, if it is existing goods, specific goods, absolutely no problem. Everything is right in front of eyes. Everything is happening then and there. Absolutely no problem. Sir, the problem comes when the goods are not existing. The goods are not existing. That is where the problem comes as to when the ownership is being transferred. Sir, to understand this, the first case, let us understand Sir, if at all there is a specific, sir, if at all there is a specific ascertained goods. People, what do you mean by specific ascertained goods? Sir, you guys know which product you want. Correct? Sir, or the product is ready. The product is ready. Sir, in the case of ascertained goods, specific ascertained goods, sir, when will the ownership transfer? In the case of specific ascertained goods, when will the ownership transfer? That is our first case. Sir, in the case of specific or ascertained goods. Correct. Yes, sir. In this case, when will the ownership transfer? Sir, in this case, the ownership will transfer in 3 scenarios. Sir, there are 3 scenarios. Sir, now we are seeing at specific ascertained goods. Under this, there are 3 subclassification. Sir, the first one, specific goods in deliverable state. Specific goods in deliverable state. Sir, the second one, specific goods to be put in deliverable state. Sir, the third one, specific goods in deliverable state. In deliverable state, seller has to ascertain the price. Seller has to ascertain the price. Yes, sir. So, sir, based on goods, when will the ownership transfer differs? Sir, the first one, let us take the easy one, ascertained goods. Sir, meaning what, sir? Sir, the contract has happened. Sir, which one you want, you have selected also. Sir, which one you want, you have selected also. Okay. Sir, now specific goods which are in deliverable state, meaning what? People, the product which you want, it is selected. Yes, sir, it is selected. Is it right in front of your eyes? Yes, sir, it is right in front of my eyes. It is existing. Sir, is it packed? Yes, it is packed. Can you take it home? Yes, it is ready to be delivered home also. Sir, delivered here, it can be taken home. Yes, sir, all conditions satisfied, sir. Yes, sir. So people, when the goods is selected, sir, it is existing, it is packed, it is in a deliverable state, meaning what? You can straight away take home the goods. There is nothing else to do to that goods. Everything is ready. Sir, that is the meaning of specific goods in deliverable state. Sir, here in this case, when you have selected everything, when everything is there, sir, everything is right in front of you. Sir, here property passes. Sir, whenever I say property, what do you mean by property? Ownership. Sir, ownership passes. Ownership passes when contract is made. Sir, in Chroma, when I stand and I say I want this and we both entered into a contract, he generates the invoice. Sir, contract is made. Sir, the property passes when the contract is made, sir. Sir, what do you mean by when contract is made? Sir, when the contract has been made, when you have generated the invoice, the payment is done. Sir, the contract is complete, sir. Sir, in this case, the contract is complete when you both agree to buy that product or sell that product. Sir, it is immaterial. People, now you need to answer. Sir, it is immaterial. What do you mean by immaterial? It is none of my concern. It is immaterial about time of payment and delivery made or not. So people, listen carefully, listen very carefully. Sir, we stood in the queue. Sir, I paid him via credit card. Credit card, everything I will not pay at once. I will pay in 12 installments. Yes, sir, I paid via credit card. The money is not paid at once. Sir, and we have entered into a contract too. I have entered to buy that TV. Sir, now, specific goods in a deliverable state. I went to the Chroma store. Yes, sir. There were so many TVs. Yes, sir. Sir, I identified the TV which I want from that. Yes, sir. Identified. Sir, it is packed for me. Yes, sir. And I said I will take it. Yes, sir. We both entered into a contract. Invoice is generated. Yes, sir. Invoice is generated. Sir, contract is made. The moment the contract invoice comes out, sir, property is transferred. It is immaterial. It is none of our concern whether the price is paid or the delivery is made or not. Sir, I have chosen the TV. Yes, sir. I paid it through credit card. Yes, sir. Sir, did I take the delivery? No, sir. The TV was in Chroma only. Sir, they had to deliver it to me tomorrow. Sir, in this case, sir, the TV is with Chroma only, sir. I have not yet taken the delivery. People, but when did the property pass? When did the ownership pass? Sir, the ownership passed the moment we entered into a contract. The invoice generated, we have entered into the contract. Sir, night, Chroma catches fire. Who is the owner, sir? Sir, who is the owner of the TV, sir? Who is the owner? Sir, the property has passed when you guys have entered into a contract. Sir, the owner of the TV is the buyer, sir. The property has passed when you guys have entered into a contract. Sir, the owner of the TV now is buyer. It is immaterial whether the TV is delivered or not delivered. Money is still paid or not paid. Sir, if it is an existing goods which is ready, everything is clear. Sir, the property passes when the contract is entered only. So, sir, if the property is still with the seller and even then something happens, sir, whose risk, sir? Buyer's risk. People, any doubt? Okay. So, people here, first thing always understand, sir, the goods should be in a deliverable state. Meaning the goods should be ready. Correct? Yes, sir. Sir, both buyer and seller should have agreed to sell and buy. Pratul, in your case, sir, a person has taken a chips packet. Has he mentioned that I am selling or I am buying? Has he mentioned he is selling or buying? Sir, I'll tell you one example. Okay. Sir, I went to a shop. I purchased a Lay's packet. I said, seller, I want to buy Lay's. Seller said, okay, sir, take it. Have not yet paid the money. He gave me the Lay's packet. While it was in my hand, a monkey came and it took that packet and it ran away. Sir, whose loss it is? Now question, sir, was the good specific? Yes, sir, it was existing. Out of all the Lay's packets, have you chosen which you want? Yes, sir, it was right in my hand. Has the contract of sale happened? Yes, sir. Seller agreed to sell it to me. Buyer agreed to buy it. Sir, whether price is paid or not, delivery is made or not, immaterial. Here delivery is made. price is not yet made. Sir, the ownership has passed the moment the contract of sale is made. Sir, the buyer will bear the risk. Buyer has to pay for that money, whatever lace he has taken. Getting the point? Okay. People, now your question is, sir, seller only has given an option of delivery. Sir, seller only has given you an option of delivery. People, then it is always on the seller. If seller has given you the option of delivery, then it is always on the dealer. It is always on the seller. Are you guys getting the point? All of you? Any doubts? Did you guys understand? Yeah, people. Understood, not understood? Clear this part? So, sir, when will the ownership pass? All of you? Sir, so if it is a specific existing goods, contract is made. Remember the Chroma example. The moment you enter into a contract, the ownership passes. The risk also passes with ownership. Clear? All of you? Okay, sir. Sir, the second one, specific goods to be put in a deliverable state. Sir, now what do you mean by this? People, listen carefully. Sir, I go to a shopping complex. Sir, in a shopping complex, there will be a stand. Yes, there will be a stand like this. For this stand, they would have put belt. Have you seen this? There will be belts. The belt you wear. There will be lot of belts like this. Have you seen this in a shopping complex? Whichever belt you want, you can pick it up. The ones you wear it on your pants. Belt. So in a shopping complex, you want to buy a belt. Sir, you go and there are so many belts. You finally like the belt you want. So, sir, this is unascertained goods. Yes, sir. Sir, from this, you take the one which you want. Seller says, sir, pakka, you want this only? You say, yes, sir, pakka, I want this only. Okay, sir. Sir, now, what is the second condition? Specific goods to be put into a deliverable state. Yes, sir, now what happens? Listen carefully. Sir, seller will say, pakka, you want this only, sir? You will say, yes, sir, pakka, I want this only. Now, you will try wearing it. Sir, the holes will not be sufficient for you. You know, 1 or 2 holes extra should be made. It so happens, right? This will happen. They make this holes. Whatever extra you want, they will make this hole and give it to you. Correct? Yes. I hope you guys can relate. Yeah, people. Yes or no? Can you relate to this? Yes, sir. Sir, now what happens? Listen carefully. Sir, you have decided which goods you want. You have selected your belt. Sir, but the belt is still, it doesn't fit you. The belt still does not fit you. Why, sir? Because the number of holes, it is less. To fit you, a couple of holes should be made. Sir, the goods is there, yes. Is it existing? Yes. Is it identified? Yes. Is it ascertained? Yes. But can you take it to home without punching those holes? Without punching those holes, can you take it to home? Sir, absolutely no. It will not fit me, no. Sir, specific goods to be put into deliverable state. Sir, specific goods to be put into deliverable state. Sir, meaning what? Everything is identified. Money is also paid. Sir, contract is also made. But the ownership does not transfer until it is put into deliverable state. Sir, give us one more example. People, listen very carefully. Ears wide open. Listen very carefully. Sir, I went to a shopping complex. Sir, assume I went to a shop called Payment. Sir, I don't know, off late you guys will see this or not. Sir, whenever you guys buy a pant, you know, trousers, whenever you buy pant, people, waist can be universal, but the down part, it will not be stitched. Have you seen? In many places it happens. After looking at your height, there will be a tailor there only. They will say, sir, you select the pant, you give it and go, you collect it tomorrow. What we will do, we will make sure that whatever is your height, we will stitch it to that height. Have you seen this? This will be there in many complex, many places, many shopping places. Seen this or not? In the same place I'm telling, not in different tailor, in the same place happens. People, all this works only if you can connect. That is the reason I'm taking as much as real life examples. If I give you a textbook examples, mind will blow. Even in suits also, yes, they do. Correct, the down part won't be stitched. Now imagine you selected the pant which you want. You selected the pant which you want, sir, and you went to the counter and you said, I want this pant. Yeah, but the down part, I need to alter it for my size. So the seller said, sir, that is how it is. You first make the payment, you buy the pant, we will do it free of cost in our thing only. If you people visit this brand factory or Peter England and all, they will have an in-house tailor. He will make this alterations and he will give it to you. So sir, what did the buyer do? Buyer made the entire payment of 2K for the pant and the seller raised invoice. Correct? Yes, sir. The seller said, sir, it will take 1 day. You do one thing, you come back tomorrow and collect the pant. You come back tomorrow and collect the pant. You come back tomorrow and collect the pant. Okay. The buyer also said, okay, the invoice is raised, money is also paid, everything is done. Sir, night, our same thing, the entire payment store caught fire. Sir, तुम्हारा pant full fire. Even that also caught fire. Sir, pant also gone. People, now you tell me who will bear the loss. Sir, here pant also gone. Who will bear the loss? Is it you or the seller? What? Buyer, seller. Okay. People, listen very carefully. Buyer, okay. Seller, okay. People, listen very carefully. I'll give you 3 instances. You tell me. Sir, instance number 1. Sir, alteration was not yet made. Yes, alteration was not yet made. The second scenario, alteration is made. Alteration is made. Yes, sir, morning 10 o'clock, night 9 o'clock only they have made the alteration. But they have not told it to the buyer. Sir, the alteration is done. They have not yet communicated. So, sir, alteration is done, but is it communicated to the buyer that, sir, your pant is altered? No, it is not yet communicated. Sir, let us look at third scenario. Sir, alteration is made. Communication, that is, have you informed to the buyer? Sir, communication is also made. People, listen very carefully. Until the alteration is made, the goods is not complete. So what did I say? Until the goods is put into the deliverable state, the goods is still not complete. The ownership passes only when the goods is put into the deliverable state. So wherever it is, in whichever options, if the alteration is not complete, sir, the risk is always with the seller. Did you guys understand the first scenario? Because the product is only not complete, you cannot sell an incomplete product. Sir, until the product becomes complete, ownership has not yet transferred, even though the money is paid. First scenario. Clear? I'll not again go back. Clear first one? Okay, sir. Sir, second scenario, alteration is made. Alteration is made, but it is not yet communicated to the buyer. Sir, आपका पैंट वो alteration हो गया, sir. You can please come and collect, sir. Please come, sir. We are about to close, sir. Sir, communication is not yet made. Alteration is done. The pant stitching is done. Have you informed the buyer? No. The condition is alteration is to be made. It is to be informed to the buyer. I repeat, alteration is to be made. It is to be informed to the buyer. Is it informed? No. Seller only responsible. Sir, third one. Sir, alteration made. Sir, communication also made. Sir, now anything happens to the pant, buyer will be responsible. Why, sir? Sir, it is put in a deliverable state. It is also informed to the buyer that, sir, your pant is ready. Call, the moment call is made, sir, property passes, ownership passes. People, understood, not understood this scenario? Yay, people, understood, not understood? All of you, pakka. People, this chapter, no, it will put hand inside the brain and it will do like this. Quizzer, this entire chapter, Indian Contract Act and Sale of Goods Act, the first preference is always given to the contract. If you people agree otherwise, you can go ahead with your contract. If you agree otherwise, you can go ahead with your contract. Yes, all of you, clear, pakka? People, now read the textbook language also. Sir, specific goods to be put into a deliverable state, section 21. Where there is a contract for the sale of specific goods, the seller is yet to do something, stitching to the goods for putting them into a deliverable state. Sir, you have specific goods. You have identified which one you want. Is it complete? No. Seller should do something to complete it. For make... we'll do. After this topic, we'll do. Sir, the property does not pass until such thing is done. Sir, what do you mean by such thing? Sir, alteration is done. So the property does not pass, ownership does not pass until the pant is altered and buyer has notice. What do you mean by buyer has notice? Buyer should be aware of it. Clear, not clear? People, clear, not clear? Yes or no? All of you understood? People. Pakka? Yes, Chris. In the Croma case, where the buyer requested for the delivery, it is always the buyer's responsibility. If Croma is doing a delivery, it is on Croma. That part is not there in your textbook. It is in generic they have given, but in reality that is how it works. So if the seller himself offers, then it is on seller. Sir, if not, if buyer requests for it, it is on buyer. People, swear on you, not on me. Swear on you until you understood. Shashiraj, very simple. In the case of hire purchase, ownership never gets transferred until you pay the last installment. So whatever happens in between, in between, it is seller's risk, no? Correct? Yes, it should be in deliverable state and it should be communicated to the buyer. Clear all of you, Pakka? So people, let us end it up here.